Hello guys, for today's video, ayan, magsa-set up tayo ng Singapore tax information. Ayan, punta lang po tayo sa ating browser, any browser, pwede rin Chrome, and then login natin yung ating Google AdSense account. Ayan po, nakalagin na yung account natin sa Google AdSense. Ayan, tapos zoom in ko lang. Ayan, may nakita tayong 3 lines sa taas. Click lang natin yan, and then payments, and then payment info. Ayan, tapos scroll down lang natin. Ayan, tapos click natin manage settings. Tapos hanapin natin yung Singapore. Ayan, Singapore tax info. Click natin yung lapis sa gilid, and then manage tax info. Tapos, ito yung lalabas. Ayan. Meron tayo doon nakalagay na notice. Ayan. Add tax info. Tapos, scroll down. Ayan. Start form. Click lang natin yan. Then, ito yung lalabas. Dito tayo magpipill up. Ayan. What is your business type? Ayan. Click mo lang yan. Ayan. Individual tayo. Then next tayo, do you have a permanent establishment in Singapore? Syempre no. Are you registered for Singapore goods and services? Syempre no. Scroll down. Then sa baba, ayan, scroll down mo lang ulit. Dito tayo sa tax exemption. Are you eligible for tax exemption? Syempre no. Are you eligible for other exemption or lower tax rates? Syempre no. And then click lang natin yung submit. Ayan, tapos ito na yung lalabas. Your tax info has been accepted. Ayan, okay na po. Na-approve na yung ating Singapore tax information. And then, ayan na po. Yung status niya is accepted na po. Makaka-receive din po tayo ng email galing kay Google. Ayan. Check na lang po. Ayan, meron po kayong email na marireceive. Yan po, Google Payments. Yan. Your Singapore tax information has been accepted. Ayan po. Okay na po yung ating Singapore tax information na yan. Thank you for watching po. Sana magustuhan niyo po ang videos. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.